TensorFlow Framework on Amazon SageMaker. TensorFlow is an open-source, machine learning, and artificial intelligence framework. With TensorFlow, you can use custom code, along with Amazon SageMaker, to train and deploy a machine learning model. The SageMaker Python SDK, along with the open-source TensorFlow containers, makes it easy to write TensorFlow training scripts. TensorFlow 2 focuses on simplicity and ease of use, with updated features like eager execution, intuitive high-level APIs, and flexible model building on any platform. TensorFlow Framework benefits. Easy model building. TensorFlow offers multiple levels of abstraction for their APIs. Using the Keras API, quickly build and train ML models to get started with machine learning. The Distributed Strategy API lets you distribute larger training jobs across multiple hardware configurations with minimal or no code changes. Robust ML production anywhere. Whether it's on servers, edge devices, or the cloud, TensorFlow lets you train and deploy your models anywhere, no matter what language or platform you use. Powerful experimentation for research. Build and train state-of-the-art ML models without sacrificing speed or performance. TensorFlow also supports an ecosystem of powerful add-on libraries and models to experiment with. This includes ragged tensors, TensorFlow Probability, Tensor2 Tensor, and BERT.